infrastructure matters.
For cloud.
For big data.
For analytics.
For mobility. For social.
For security.
Because business outcomes matter.
In the latest CEO study, according to the Institute of Business Value Studies, technology is the #1 driver for business growth. And in the CMO study, more than 1/3 of the decisions will be made by the line of business, people like me, the Chief Marketing Officer.
Everything runs on infrastructure. That's a key point. Cloud runs on infrastructure. Analytic runs on infrastructure. All application runs on infrastructure. What differentiates IBM is we have the right infrastructure for the right solutions.
So if you're building a small house, you're going to have your family in that house, and you want that foundation to be strong. But if you're going to build a tall building like the towers here in KL, right, then you have to build deep and you have to build strong. And so in the same way, when you're building infrastructure for a business, it matters.
Reliable, scalable.
We provide hardware that is reliable, that is secure, and that is scalable and high performance.
A combination of both the Formula One driver as well as the car itself that will actually bring you success. So that is my definition of why infrastructure matters. I equate the infrastructure with the car itself in a Formula One race. Right? So that itself actually tells why infrastructure matters.
Why infrastructure matter for cloud?
Capable.
Scalable. Agile.
Reliable.
Responsive.
Secured.
Cost-effective.
There's an emerging trend that Chief Marketing Officers are now Chief Marketing and Technology Officers. What would people like us know about technology? And technology is important because infrastructure matters.
The system has a capacity on demand that you can turn on and use it anytime when you want. So this is the infrastructure that we are talking about that you don't see in any other platform. It's only within the IBM platform that gives you total control, total flexibility.
With enormous growth of data from mobile and social, enterprise require a super platform that can put all these data to work. In IBM Power Systems with the latest Power 8 chips, is specially designed for big data and analytics. And it is also the first true open platform.
Infrastructure matters in big data and analytics because of the scalability of the solution and the speed matters.
The right infrastructure matters because
Efficiency. Agility.
responsiveness,
Insights.
innovation,
Collaboration.
availability, and security.
Infrastructure matters because business outcomes matter.
We need it to be open and yet secure. We need it to be agile and available 24/7. So as we take the journey together with our CIOs, make sure that line of business and IT work together to ensure that we have the right infrastructure because business outcome matters.
We give the cloud the full flexibility. We give analytic the speed, the real time for analytic. And we give security, reliability, availability for all the rest of the application. So infrastructure matters, but the right infrastructure matters more.
Because technological architecture addresses the client challenges that they face. Today, the data is growing at phenomenal pace. The amount of complexity that storage has in the customer environment is just tremendous.
An agile infrastructure is particularly important, especially in securing data, enabling access and providing availability on a global scale.
When this enormous scale is a factor, you need to get the infrastructure right, you need to design it properly, right? And you need to employ the right technologies, of course. Right?
You need a very resilient and a very strong infrastructure in order to support that software so that it can run optimally for your business.
Infrastructure matters!